Hello guys, how are you today? Let's start our discussion today about smoking bans.
Hello, I'm good. Thanks for asking me.
Okay, thank you, honey. Pros and cons of smoking bans. Smoking ban policies are implemented in some American states and cities, but the conversations on whether they are necessary and relevant are still heard from supporters and critics. Restrictions on cigarette smoking can be tracked back as early the 16 years century and up to now. This issue remains to be controversial to get an idea on how people are taking smoking bans. Here are some of the views expressed by proponents and opponents.
Advocates for smoking bans claim the passing a policy to prohibit smoking in public places can lessen the possibility of second-hand smoke being inhaled by non-smokers. The supporters all say the states and cities which have non-smoking policies and prohibited smoking in restaurants and public indoor space have better indoor air quality than the cities which still allow smoking public. With restricting smoking, supporters posit that it will decrease the waste scan there will lesser cigarette, but unless a toxic garbage that can be stuck in water system. It is also believed by the supporters that it can lessen the chance of influencing others to make on the habit.
For many smokers, smoking bans is one of the government's ways of interfering in their lifestyle. They find this offensive because they believe that since smoking is not a crime, the government nor anyone else should not have a say about what they do and limit for their freedom. In principle, smoking bans are not effective since they will make people just avoid places with smoking bans and smoke elsewhere rather than to quit or at least to reduce their tobacco consumption. Implementing smoking bans also can be very difficult. There are many people and even establishments that don't respect the ban, mainly because the penalties are not so stiff and would get offenders into too much trouble.
These are just some of the pros and cons of smoking bans. Government officials, business owners, and ordinary citizens should weigh them carefully to decide if smoking bans are worth implementing or not.